struggling with sunburn or sunburn marks, this video would help you know how to cure it, how to heal your skin using home remedies and using some skincare products I'll be recommending as well. Hi besties, hey love, welcome back to my channel. And if this is the first time you're seeing this face, welcome here. My name is Muna. On my channel I cover skincare, beauty and my lifestyle, and also wellness. So if that's something you're interested in, hit the subscribe button. I would love to have you as part of my community. I've had my own fair share of sunburn. I have suffered sunburn, like not just sunburn. I had marks. I had this area of my face burnt. Like I had marks on my face from sun damage, and this was because I was using this Nigerian skincare product I was using way back. It promised to be organic. You know how we had, I feel like everybody has experienced a bit of this organic trend that happened in Nigeria one time. I'm Nigerian, so there was this time we had people selling organic products, but they were not very honest with us because they added some ingredient that would damage our skin, or rather expose our skin to sun damage more. Like, let's say ingredient like kojic acid, ingredient like hydroquinone. I feel like they had that in the mix, and they didn't tell us that we, their customers to use sunscreen or protect our skin, and then sunscreen was not really a thing. I've had my fair share of sun damage, and it was no fun because I tried all the things I've listened to this video, and that was what helped me get to clear the marks I had from the damage that skincare product did to my skin. So that's why I made this video, because I know how scary it can be, and I'm sure you can feel if it would ever clear. I was always like, is this how I'll have my skin? It means I'll have to always wear makeup for the rest of my life because I had damaged my skin. That period for me was so devastating. I was really unsure if I could even heal. I got you. I would not what's the word? Gatekeep. Okay. So yes, number one is vinegar. Yes, apple cider vinegar helped me. What I did was, first of all, the process of how you can use vinegar is, number one, the first step is buy vinegar. I'm going to insert the brand I used. It has to be this one. Okay. This is a very popular brand because it is unfiltered and it is the mother. I don't know what that means, but basically it is unfiltered. So I took, let's say, okay, let me give you the measurements. 5 ml of apple cider vinegar, unfiltered apple cider vinegar, and 10 ml of water. Dilute together and apply on affected area. I did that consistently and it helped my skin. And apply with your hand or use a cotton wool. Another thing I did was oatmeal. I used oatmeal to wash my face. I didn't do, okay, if it was the whole body, I would have probably said oatmeal bath, but it was just my face. So I did the same thing I did for the apple cider. I took oats, soaked it for a while, just a spoon of oats. The water of it, I used that to burn my face and left it for like 20 minutes and then rinsed it off. I did this again consistently every night. Okay. The third thing I did was the gel, aloe vera gel. I finished mine, so I disposed the container. So I'm going to insert the one I got. I used this aloe vera gel on my face. This particular one is very good, right? And if you're based in Nigeria, you can easily get your hand on it. So this one works. Or if you don't have this, you can use fresh aloe vera. Most Nigerian homes, you see your neighbors have aloe vera like planted. You can just go and buy aloe vera, and then every morning cut a bit of it, put it in a bowl of water, allow there's this green thing that comes out from it, allow it to come out. So first step is cut your aloe vera, cut it into two and open it up, put it in a bowl of water, allow it to sit for 10 minutes, then bring it out and apply on affected area. Leave for 10 minutes and rinse off. That's the third thing you can do. If you don't have aloe vera gel, you can use fresh aloe vera. If you don't have fresh aloe vera, then ensure your skincare product has aloe vera in it, because aloe vera helps with healing. The fourth thing you should do is ensure you're using sunscreen. Like, use sunscreen like no man's business. Let me say it again. Use sunscreen like no man's business. Use sunscreen. Like anywhere you're going to, regardless of your face that is damaged or your face that has the mark, use sunscreen on your face. You would thank yourself, because what sunscreen will do is protect your skin from further damage, right? So even if you feel like, oh, your skin is in the worst state, trust me, it can get worse, because at least you don't have skin cancer, right? So protect your skin while healing it, okay? While healing it, protect your skin. Get a good sunscreen, a very good sunscreen. Talking about sunscreen that has PA++++, 4 pluses, that contains above SPF at least 50. Steroid creams, but use it for a short period of time. I don't advise using steroid creams. Like, I don't advise it. So just steroid cream is just a temporary solution to ease that irritation you feel, like redness, swelling. You can use steroid creams. It's by vitamin C serum. I don't mean like diluted vitamin C serum that you see everywhere. Like a very good vitamin C serum, you can get one from the ordinary. They have one ink jet. I have one. I'm going to insert some here. Get a very good vitamin C serum and apply on the area or all over your face, basically, because that would help with just brightening up the appearance of your sun damaged marks. Vitamin C will help brighten that part of your face and also help heal it. Maybe not every day, but like once or twice or thrice in a week is max, like home remedy. This is like one home remedy you can try out. So you have honey and turmeric, mix them together and apply on your skin. Finally, skincare options, I'm going to list them here. Look out for ingredient that has aloe vera. Look out for ingredient that has vitamin C. Look out for ingredient that has hyaluronic acid, things that will calm your skin, that will soothe your skin. Okay, nothing. If you know at that period of time, if you know you're someone who has skincare that has exfoliating ingredients, stop it for now. Instead, go for ceramides. Go for skincare product that has ceramides that will strengthen your skin barrier. Go for skincare that has aloe vera. That's aloe vera gel or aloe vera extract. Go for skincare product that has vitamin C. You cannot go wrong with any of these 3 products, right? So I'm not going to say, oh, buy this particular product or that particular product, but I'm listing out the ingredient to look out for. And I've stated it already. Ingredient that has oat extract, aloe vera extract, or aloe vera in it, that has hyaluronic acid or any form of hydrating ingredient, vitamin C, ingredient that has zinc, and ingredient that has sun protection, which is sunscreen. Do not joke with sunscreen, please. So I was able to do this, and then in a month, 2 months, I was seeing massive results. And right now, as you can see, there is no marks on my face. So another thing you should do is discontinue anything that is triggering your skin. If you know that the product you're using, maybe you're using a kojic acid and the ingredient is too much or the formulation is too much, discontinue using the reason, whatever is triggering that sun damage. Stop using it immediately. Don't use this alongside still like just like saying you're using kojic acid and that is what is damaging your skin. But because you've watched this video and you've seen how to cure the marks you're getting, you still want to go back and continue using your kojic acid. Skin cancer is real. So try out any of these options I've listed and let me know which one works for you. You can try out all of them at this point because it will work for you. I can almost guarantee that it will work for you. If it doesn't work for you, then you have to now go like above and get a laser, removal. That might be the last option for you. If you haven't subscribed yet, this is the best time for you to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button, please. So I hope this video was able to help you with ideas on how you can treat your sunburn marks or your sunburn reactions or anything as regards sunburn. I hope this video would help you do that, or hope this video has given you ideas on how to combat it. If it has, let me know in the comment section. If you have any video requests on any topic you want me to cover, let me know in the comment section. If you want me to review any particular product or talk about any particular ingredient, let me know in the comment section. But if you have any skin concerns, let me know in the comment section. I'll do well to make a video for you and for you alone. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you haven't subscribed yet, this is the best time for you to subscribe. See you guys in this video here where I covered skincare mistake you should avoid. For now, bye.
Do you want to know?